Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone 14 Pro Max cellular data not working issue. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on general. Then in general, click on date and time, and here you will see a set automatically button. So if you have turned off this button, then turn it back on, and after turning on this button your problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then swipe down and open control center, and from here turn on the airplane mode, and after few seconds turn it back off. So after that your problem will be fixed. But if you are still facing the problem, then open settings, scroll down, and here click on general. Then in general, scroll down and click on reset, transfer or reset iPhone, and then click on reset. Now here click on reset network settings, and then enter your lock screen passcode. Now enter the screen time passcode, and after that again click on reset network settings to confirm. So when you click on reset network settings, it will reset all your iPhone network settings, but it will not delete any data from your iPhone. So I hope it will fix your problem. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then the last solution is restart your iPhone. So to restart, press and hold the power button and volume down button at the same time. Now swipe this icon to right side to restart your iPhone, and after restarting your problem will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.